What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Caspians, I am back with another video for you guys. Kaspa literally just hit a brand new all-time high today, and just like we were speculating where it would be consolidating in this range and potentially break out to another 20% to the upside, it looks like it's already in the start of that, guys. We just hit a new all-time high in Cas at 5 cents. We're gonna go through some information today for you guys, speaking about going through what the community has discovered for Cas in this video, guys. So be sure you watch until the end. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I appreciate all the support on the videos. Like, comment, subscribe, blow this video up. Let's make Kaspa, let's keep spreading the awareness of Cas to the masses, because we already know the global takeover for Cas is imminent. Okay, so right now Cas is sitting at 0.49 cent. It got all the way up to around 5.1 cent, right? It got to $1 billion in market cap. It's just under $1 billion in market cap right now, with $40 million in 24-hour trade volume for Cas. And I'm telling you guys, the tier 1 exchange listings will happen sooner than you think for Cas, because it just continues to grow. And the community, the developments, the hash rate, the price action, everything is just up and to the right. Everything is just working out accordingly for this project because of the technology behind it. And even if there's people that talk down on the release of the smart contracts, etc., eventually it's going to happen in time as these developments keep taking place, because it is open source, and the community devs and people in the the Caspians are willing to crowdsource funds. Community devs are consistently working to keep developing Kaspa's technology, right? From Keeks, ASICs are coming. It's just another layer 1. There's no smart contracts. There's no use case for Cas. Good luck, non-Kaspa bros. See you at 40 cents. Jim Skibum. ASICs are coming. Further sideline and cash got absolutely wrecked. Perhaps ASICs on a fundamentally weak project is a negative thing, but on a project like Cas that solves the trilemma on the base layer, increased security afforded by ASICs is only bullish. And we take a look right here, you see brand new all-time high for Cas. Imagine fading ASICs Keck. Nice charts, and you can see right here this is Bitcoin's previous growth with Bitcoin's mining difficulty, and Kaspa is literally following the same mining difficulty that Bitcoin is following, guys. That is super bullish stuff. Documenting Kaspa is at a new all-time high per Cas for the first time. It hits $1 billion in market cap valuation, which ranks at number 44 in the world, yet we are still early. 1,366 Kaspa is equal to 1 Bitcoin tokenomics wise, meaning it's like when Bitcoin was at $69.50, right? $1 billion for Kaspa, man. Look at that, right? This is a milestone. This is huge. Get out the party hats. Kaspa officially hits $1 billion in market cap for the first time. It's highest all-time high, guys. Highest price it's ever achieved. Dead bongo. Cas network hash rate continues to hit new all-time highs on a daily basis. And this is what I covered in my previous video. The more the higher the hash rate goes, the higher the all-time highs of the hash rate, the more exponential growth we could see in Kaspa's price action, and the network in general, right? That is a super secure network that we have here, because remember, the miners secure the network, right? So the security for Cas is top notch, the speed is lightning fast, and the scalability, we have no scalability issues with Cas, man. SKN or Cas continuing its steady climb to the top 50, through the top 50, my apologies. Remember, none of the projects above Cas compare in terms of long-term value, vision, and technology. It's a pure form of crypto that will be appreciating value and be simple, quick, and cost-effective to trade. And that's what the project is. Jonathan created it for. That was the original goal of the project, for it to be electronic cash, guys. For it to be peer-to-peer electronic cash. Merchants, vendors, companies could use Kaspa to transact without having to worry about, expensive fees, and it could be lightning fast in a decentralized way, right? You don't have to turn to these huge corporations like the Visas of the world when you could use Kaspa, right? Kaspa community, Kas hit 5 cents. If you don't buy enough Kas, you still have a chance to buy now. Let's grow together. Awesome stuff. Captain Sats, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash Maxis. If you haven't heard about Kas yet, you will shortly. Kaspa is made by the same OG academics behind Ghost Inspector that BTC holders were discussing use in 7 years ago. Right here, it is time to reconsider the Ghost protocol for more frequent blocks. You see this? This is from the OG Bitcoin academics, meaning people that, were the scholars, the, thinking of how to, open source and help to develop Bitcoin's code, years ago, 7 years ago, right? Similar to how we have the Lightning Network now and Ordinals now, they were considering Ghost protocol up to 7 years ago, and that is the same protocol that Kas is built on, but to an even higher standard with Dagnite, right? Alviso Hart and his team are the investors of Ghost. We will soon publish the white paper for their new protocol, Spectre, which is by far superior. When this happens, we should switch directly to Spectre without doing Ghost in between. Absolutely amazing stuff. Ragsy Kas. There will become a point when there will be no more Kas to buy at these prices. The chances of holding 1 million Kas is decreasing dramatically. Pack your bags, you still have time. That is a fact. Right now, 1 million Kas is $50,000, right? The average person can't afford 1 million Kas anymore. That is out of reach for the average person. 100,000 Kas is still doable, but even that is super expensive for the average person, with how the world is now, with inflation, sky high prices on everything. I don't think the average person has $5,000 to invest in Kas. Like right here we have from Benos, Kas hits a new all-time high, road to 10 cents loading, $1 plus in the bull market, right? And these predictions aren't like far-fetched at all anymore, guys. Like, you could clearly tell these aren't far-fetched predictions. $1 plus for the bull run. I really think that is possible for Kas. Kaspa news. Lightning fast transactions. Kaspa's innovative block DAG network generates multiple blocks every second, enabling rapid transactions ideal for everyday use. Say goodbye to sluggish transaction times and embrace the future of instant digital payments with Kaspa. You see, again, just like I stated earlier, compared to fiat, Visa, PayPal, Venmo, etc., you have to go through a lot of processes, whereas with Kas, it's just you to the recipient, back and forth, super fast, super easy, no headaches, no issues with like your card not working. You have to go to the bank to figure out processing and all that stuff. The bank putting a block on your account, all of that. None of that happens here with Kas, man. Aziz, incredible performance above 1 billion market cap and still undervalued. Rate 1 star to CMC. We hit a milestone today, guys. Amazing stuff. We hit a milestone with Kas at 1 billion market cap, man. 1 billion market cap is achieved for Kas. That is absolutely crazy. Emmanuel, I'm in crypto since 2017. The first time I entered the space, I bought Bitcoin and a bunch of crap coins. Got wrecked because I was not aware of the market cycles. I've been searching for the best project in terms of fundamentals. I found it about 6 months ago, and its name is Kaspa. Awesome stuff. There's always new opportunities that present themselves to you in this space. A lot of people say they missed out on this project or that project, this project, etc. Well, here's another opportunity for you. I hope you don't miss out once again. Crypto Grod, Kas has the potential to be a Bitcoin killer, aiming to address its shortcomings. While Bitcoin remains respected as a digital gold, which is a store of value, Kaspa could be seen as a more advanced version as digital silver with innovative technologies to resolve its problems. At this point in time, Bitcoin can't be used as e-cash, right? Cannot be used as electronic cash to compete with like the Visas of the world, because like I said, even with the introduction of ordinals, we saw the transaction fees for Bitcoin increase drastically, right? And you know, even with the Lightning Network, you know, there's still a scalability issues with Bitcoin, right? And also speed issues as well. So with Cas, you don't have those two issues to deal with, right? Obviously Bitcoin is super secure because the miners are securing the heck out of Bitcoin's network, but there's still the scalability and speed issues which Kaspa does not face, right? And from Son of a Tech, huge account, huge YouTuber in the space, Son of a Tech, saying it hit Kaspa hit 1 billion. Son of a Tech Kaspa, huge subscriber count on YouTube, 178k subscribers, right? One of the top, you know, known miners of crypto, right? He's been mining Cas, like, I think since the start, right? So here we go, broke 1 billion, man, broke 1 billion, right? So guys, this is super bullish stuff. This is pretty great stuff to see for Cas, and I think this is just the beginning, right? I think it's gonna this trend we have will continue. Seems Cas has a strong community who keeps holding the investment. I agree. Dang, imagine buying this a year ago from Saucy. Lehrer, Schmitz, I won't sell a penny until 2024. You know, that's going into the end of 2024, 2025. That's when you should be taking profit. Satoshi, 100x, it's easy, right? Notify, I'm bullish on Kaspa, right? Love to see the community. A lot of people are super active in the Kaspa community. The Caspians are one of the most based communities in the space, and the development, the growth for Cas is undeniable. And we'll keep I'll keep you guys updated, and I'll keep track of it for you guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, blow this video up, get it to 10,000 views, Caspians. I appreciate all the support. Share this with your friends and family on social media, Twitter, X, you name it. And I'll catch you in the next one.